Raghavendra'S English medium high school journal. So today we are going to show how smoking affects the lungs. For this activity we need water bottle, water, lighter, cotton, cigarette and clay. Take the bottle, make hole to the cap and the bottom of the bottle and close it with clay. After fill the bottle with water and put the bottom inside the cap. You insert cigarette to the cap. You tightly close the bottle with the cap.
Now light the cigarette with lighter. Now remove the clay from the bottom of the bottle.
You can see the smoke is entering into the bottle through the cotton. After the smoke is entering into the bottle, close the bottle with the clay and open the cap.
See the cotton? It changed the color.
In the same way, if we smoke, our lungs also get affected.
By this activity, it is proved that smoking affects to the lungs and